Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious curry corn. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. This includes 2 cups of corn, a small diced onion, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Don't forget your curry powder, turmeric, a touch of oil, and some creamy coconut milk. Having everything measured out makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for a flavorful dish in no time. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Once shimmering, add the diced onion and cook it gently for about 3 to 4 minutes until it becomes translucent and soft. Next, stir in the minced garlic. Cook this for just about 30 seconds until you can smell its wonderful aroma, being careful not to let it brown too much. It's time to infuse our dish with those vibrant curry flavors. Add 1 tablespoon of curry powder and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric to the pan with the aromatics. Stir constantly for about 1 minute to toast the spices, releasing their full fragrance. Then, add your 2 cups of corn kernels, mixing them thoroughly to coat. Finally, pour in 1/4 cup of coconut milk and let it gently simmer, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. To finish, let your curry corn simmer for another 3 to 5 minutes, or until the corn is tender and thoroughly heated. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed to achieve your desired flavor balance. This dish is incredibly versatile and makes a fantastic side or a light, flavorful meal on its own. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade curry corn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.